Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry exercise 6.4 first problem. In that first problem we will see now how to solve it. Okay, from the top of a tree, from the top of a tree of height 13 meters, the angle of elevation the angle of elevation and depression, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of another tree are 45 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the second tree, and here it is given root 3 is equals to 1.732. So this is the problem they gave. Okay, now we will solve with solution, how to find this answer. So first we have to draw the diagram from the top of the tree of height 13 meters, the angle of elevation. Okay, this one will leave. First we will draw the tree height. Let us draw here one tree and ground also we will draw. So this is the ground. So this tree height, how much they given? 13 meters. Tree 13 meters. Next, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of another tree. So one tree we drawn here. One more tree also is there. Let us draw like this. One more tree here. Okay. One more tree here. Okay. Second tree. This is second tree. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means depression of the top and bottom of another tree. Okay. Angle of elevation means from this top. From this top, angle of elevation we have to draw. See here, from the top of the tree. So from the top of the tree, angle of elevation like this you draw. So here what we have to do, for the ground level we have to draw one parallel line. So this becomes angle of elevation. That is given as 45 degrees. From the top to the bottom of another tree, this is angle of depression, like this. This angle is depression, so mark here 30 degrees. If it is 30, this also 30 only. So this is not required. Okay, this is enough. Angle of elevation, this is angle of depression. From the top to the another tree, angle of elevation. From the top to the another tree, angle of depression, 30, 45 degrees. Okay. What we have to find? We have to find the height of the second tree. Second tree means this is the second tree. This height you have to find out. Observe here. If it's from here to here, it is 13 meters, means from here to here is also 13 meters only. This is 13 meters. And this height we need to find now. Let us mark H. 13 plus H. 13 meters plus H gives height of second tree. Okay. So we have to find the H answer now from this given data. Give the name for this. A, B, C. Let us mark here D, E. Now from triangle A, D, E. ADE triangle you take. A, D, E. ADE triangle if you take, we can apply tan 45 equals to A, D, E. 45 degrees. 45 opposite H. Adjacent side we don't know, so let us mark BC as X. Then AD is also X only. So adjacent is X. Why I wrote H by X means tan formula is opposite by adjacent, like that. Tan 45 1. H by X. 1 is written as 1 by 1. Do cross multiplication. X into 1 X. 1 into H H. So one relation we got now. Now we will take second triangle. Triangle. What triangle? A, B, C. A, B, C. Tan 30 we can apply. Tan 30 how much will we get? 30 here. Opposite 13. Adjacent X. Adjacent is X. So tan 30 answer 1 by root 3. 13 by X. Do cross multiplication. X into 1 X. 13 into root 3, 13 root 3. X answer we got. X answer is nothing but H. X is nothing but H. Why? Because both are same only. So this therefore H is equals to 13 root 3. X, H both are same only, no? So H we can write like this. H answer is 13 root 3 plus 13 gives height of second tree. Now we will write what is the height of second tree. Therefore height of second tree equals to height of second tree equals to height of second tree is what? Height of second tree is this one, E to C, EC, nothing but ED plus DC, ED plus DC, EDH, DC 13. H answer just now we got. h is 13 root 3. 13 root 3 plus 13. Next what we have to do, take 13 common, root 3 plus 1, 13 root 3 answer here 1.732, 1.732 plus 1, 13 into 1.732 plus 1, 2.732. So both we have to multiply now, 13 into 2.732. The answer will be like this, 35.516. So up to 2 decimal places we will write 35.5. 2 decimal place means up to here we have to write. After 1 we have 6, that is more than 5. So we have to add 1 for the previous number. 1 plus 1, 2. That's all. Meters. That is the height of second tree, 35.52 meters. Okay. So first diagram is very important. Angle of elevation 45 degrees. Elevation means above the horizontal line, 45. Angle of depression is 30 degrees. Depression means below this one. That's it. Okay. Thank you.